How do Irish dancers keep time? Have you ever watched Irish dancers and wondered how they keep such perfect time with the music? It's fascinating to see how rhythm and timing come together in Irish traditional dance. Rhythm is all about the beat and flow of the music, while timing is about executing movements in sync with that beat. Irish dance features various styles, each with its own unique rhythm and time signature. For example, soft shoe dances like the reel and slip jig have specific time signatures. Reels often use 4/4 or 2/4 time, while slip jigs are in 9/8 time. On the other hand, hard shoe dances, such as the hornpipe, typically follow 2/4 or 4/4 time. Dancers must master these rhythms to perform accurately. To keep time, Irish dancers combine musical awareness with physical technique. They practice drills and exercises that help improve their timing. This ensures that every step matches the music perfectly. In a slip jig, for instance, dancers perform quick, light steps that align with the 9/8 rhythm. In contrast, a hornpipe requires more robust movements that fit the 2/4 or 4/4 beat. Timing is not just about the overall rhythm. It also involves the timing of individual movements. Each step or movement must take the right amount of time relative to the music. For example, a dancer might need to slide over to beats in a hornpipe. Meanwhile, in a slip jig, they may perform a series of quick steps that each take less than a beat. When you watch Irish dancers perform, you can see the precision and coordination needed to keep time. Their ability to synchronize movements with the music showcases their skill and dedication. Whether you are attending a traditional Irish dance performance or taking a class, understanding how Irish dancers keep time can deepen your appreciation for this beautiful art form. So, the next time you see Irish dancers, pay attention to how they move in harmony with the music. It's all about rhythm, timing, and the joy of dance that brings this tradition to life.